This video addresses NC Math 1 A-REI.4, which is solve for the real solutions of quadratic equations in one variable by taking square roots and factoring. Today we are going to factor a quadratic equation to find the solutions. Okay, let's look at our last example. Our last example is 2x squared plus 9x plus 10. And you notice this one has a leading coefficient of 2. It's a coefficient greater than 1, like in our last examples. So since I have 2x squared terms, I'm going to use 2x squared tiles. I have 9x's, so I'm going to use 9 of my single x tiles. And then since I have 10 constants, I'm going to use 10 single 1 tiles. Okay, so the difference here is that the main big difference is that we have these two big tiles. So you're just going to stack those. You can do it like this, or you could do them side by side, but I like to put them on top of each other. The other difference is now that every time that I place an X here, I have to also place one alongside of it. Otherwise, it's not going to help me form my square or my rectangle. So we'll just kind of do another pair like this, and I'm going to do a pair down here on the bottom. And remember, we're always taking them and laying them the same length as my x squared tile. In other words, you can't do them like this, because then you're saying that this side would actually be 1, 2, however many of these x tiles you have, because your width is 1. So you have to place them, since this side is x, then this side's also x. So you have to place them with similar sides. And then we're going to do one more. I'll do another one up here, and then one down here. So I've got 3, 3, 3. And then I just kind of place my ones in, filling in, trying to complete my square or rectangle. And you see that I can't, because I don't have room for this last one. So I have to rearrange. So let's take this one and move it up here. Let's take this one and move it here. Well, that kind of made it worse, because now I have all of those left over. And sometimes this is really a trial and error. You have to just keep rearranging them until you find the perfect combination. So if I place these down here and I start filling in, then you see that you can make a rectangle. Length times width, or length times width. Since I know that this side measures x and this one is x, this one is also x. So over here I actually have x plus x, which is 2 x's. Up here I've got 1 and 1, which makes 2. Down here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times 5 should equal a positive 10, and I've got positive 10 1 tiles. So now my factors are x plus 2 and 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. I'm going to set both of them equal to 0. Subtract 2. I get x equals negative 2. My second one is 2x plus 5 equals 0. Subtract 5. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals negative 5 over 2. So my two solutions are going to be negative 2 and negative 5 over 2.